It's like a new toy. Just make me lazy. Travor Wards my name, and living at Belair in Adelaide. Beautiful city. We were one of the first residents here. This used to be an orchard, so we've been here 50 years. Well, it means I'm very fit. It also means I have to be very careful about the lawnmower I get, because that slope can be very treacherous. I cut it every week, just trimming it off, because I have a battery operated mower, and if the grass gets too high, it struggles with it. So yeah, I keep it trimmed every week. How long does it take? I can tell you it takes 5,000 steps, but I can't tell you that in time, probably an hour.
All right, let's take it up to the top. Now I can start driving basically, so off we go. And if you push forward gently, and then I'm going to hold the forward button. That's good, it's working.
I'm staggered by today's modern technology. I'm surprised it's able to do what it's doing. It's handled it as if it's done it all its life. It's fantastic. And I'm going to love just sitting out here on your lawn by a table with a drink on it and watching it work. The thing that amazed me is its ability to decide the best way of cutting the lawn. It chose to do it diagonally, whereas I would have thought it would go up and down. So also it handled the slope sideways brilliantly. It had some sort of mechanism for correcting itself. It started to slide, so it was great. It's like a new toy. Just make me lazy. No, I'd spend all my time watching it work. And I'm under pressure from my wife. My wife loves it. I think it's her toy rather than mine. So she'll do all the work outside, I do all the work inside. Another question. That's an attractive looking object. And I'm sure someone walking along would say exactly the same thing and decide, I might take this home. Is that possible for the lawnmower to be pinched? Stolen.
Thief.
A thief.
We have the GPS inside, you can find. You can find it in your phone, in your app. You can find it, it's called place.
Right.
And the others, you find it, it can turn on because you need some ping, personal ping.
I would suggest that you had a little voice there that says, I wouldn't pick this up if I was you.